Students from Bengali Cultural Club came together to organize their annual cultural showcase. Filling the school with art, music, food, and performances, last Friday evening became a celebration of Bengali heritage.
Bengali Cultural Club is obviously where we show off our Bengali culture and share it with everyone else in our community. What I love about this show is how our culture is shown in so many different ways. It really shows how unique our culture is and how it can bring so many people together.
I'm not really from Bengal, so I'm excited to learn more about everything that's going on. It's really fascinating, and it's so nice to see the representation and stuff at the school. It'll just be a new experience.
We have a bunch of performances, skits, poems, and so many other things, all led by our students here at the high school and some of our community members. There's also a henna stand so we can show off our Bengali art, and we also have a bunch of great food here to give a little taste of what Bengali culture is like.
Thank you to the members of Bengali Cultural Club for hosting the event and to everyone who came out. I'm Katie Taylor, reporting for North Penn Television.